To use the Critical Tattoo new XR power supply, first start by plugging in the power. The XRD model comes with dual outputs. This allows you to plug in 2 tattoo machines at the same time. To activate output to one of those machines, select which machine you'd like to use and press the output button. Each output has its own designated presets. So if the left machine is selected, you have 3 presets to that side. If the right machine is selected, you have 3 presets to that side. Some hard starting rotaries require you to enable a Jumpstart mode. To enable that, press and hold the output button until a lightning bolt is displayed on the screen. To disable, press and hold the output button again. To use a standard wired foot pedal, plug it into the foot pedal jack. To toggle the pedal into maintain mode, press and hold the pedal while pressing and holding the output button. Toggle will be displayed. To disable, do the same thing. Press and hold the pedal and press the output button until toggle goes away. On the XR model, to toggle maintain mode on the foot pedal, press and hold the output button until toggle is displayed underneath the foot pedal icon. To disable, press and hold again. To enable Jumpstart mode, enter the menu by pressing and holding the left and right arrow keys. Scroll down to Jumpstart, choose both for both presets to both have Jumpstart, right for just the right preset, or left for just the left preset. To exit, hit the clock button. Now the left preset has Jumpstart mode enabled, and the right does not. To adjust voltage up and down, press the up button or the down button. To start and stop the clock, press the clock button. To reset, press and hold. To enter the configuration menu, press and hold the left and right arrow keys. You can set the time of day, the current date. You can choose your presets, different color themes. You can choose your preset counts per side. You can choose if you want to hear the key clicks or not, your hourly rate amount, your billing, and your location. To exit, press the clock button. By default, the money meter is always displayed on the screen. To hide this money meter, press and hold the up and down arrow, or to bring it back, press and hold the up and down arrow again.